Thermistor compensation. Already we have discussed about diode compensation. In diode compensation we are using diode for compensate VBE and ICO either in emitter circuit or used in voltage divider circuit. Now we are going to use the next temperature sensitive device, thermistor. This thermistor is having negative temperature coefficient, that is, if temperature increases the value of resistance is exponentially decreased. So the slope of this circuit is dou RT. Slope of this one is dou RT by dou T. It is the temperature coefficient of the thermistor. Here we are going to use in the method 1, we are going to use thermistor in the voltage divider circuit instead of R2. So by replacing R2 by RT, we are having that one increase in the temperature. Here R2 is replaced with the thermistor with the RT in the self bias circuit. If temperature increases, RT value will be decreases. The decrease in the RT causes decrease in the potential drop in that across it. So VBE value will be decreased. If VBE decreases, automatically IB value decrease. If IB decreases, IC also decreases. So if there is any increase in the IC value due to temperature, that bring back to constant position by using this thermistor. In the second method, instead of using RT in the voltage divider circuit, we are connecting the RT between VCC and the emitter. So if this will be compensate if there is any increase in the IC, increase value IC due to VBE or IB or beta value increase. Here we are connecting RT between VCC and emitter. So if there is any increase in the IC temperature due to temperature, RT value will be reduced. This will causes potential drop across that VE. Emitter will be increased. But as emitter based junction is forward biased, this IE value is more positive. So VBE will be decreased. So IB value also decrease. If IB is decreased, automatically IC value will be decreased. So the increase in the IC is bring back to constant position. Thank you. Next we are going to discuss about sensistor compensation. In the sensistor compensation we are using sensistor, that is instead of thermistor, here we are using sensistor. Sensistor is having positive temperature coefficient, that is due to temperature increase the resistor value also increases. Here in the circuit we are using sensistor in the place of voltage divided by a circuit in the place of R1. By replacing R1 with the sensistor, we are getting that one. If there is any increase in the temperature value, RT will be increased. If RT is increased, I plus IB is also decreased. If IB decreased, what happened? IC is automatically decreased. So potential drop increases means current value will be decreased. So that IC increased in the IC bring back to the constant position. Okay, so this is how we are getting that temperature and